Tonight for dinner I made some burgers with some steakhouse fries. The steakhouse fries are actually some value brand essentially every day. They're really good. Just topped it with a little bit of pepper. And the buns are also a Cub brand. They had them on sale this week, 69 cents. I like to toast mine in the oven for just a couple minutes before I put my burger together. But getting close to 4th of July, some great deals on barbecue items. So tonight for dinner I had some chili left over from last time I made that. Took that out of the freezer yesterday, warmed it up on the stove. I'm having mine with some croutons, shredded cheese, and then I also made some corn on the cob. Picked that up on Friday at Cub for only 10 cents an ear. Great little meal. So tonight for dinner is Chinese takeout. We usually do sesame chicken and an additional item, enough to get the delivery. This evening we're having some chicken chow mein over the noodles, and though I'm having the wontons. The dinner kit that I'm having is the wontons and egg roll comes with it. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, Friday. Today's dinner is a vegetarian meal, cheese ravioli. The cheese ravioli is from Sam's Club, and then we also have some garden salads with it.